Hi, it's your girl Nikki Dibbles, and you're welcome back to my channel. Today, I'll be sharing with you how I make my delicious, scrumptious seafood okra soup. So here goes. The first thing I do is to boil my snail with a little Maggi. I'm doing this because it takes a longer time to boil snail, and I want it to be tasty but not salty. That's why I added a little Maggi. So while I have let that to boil and simmer for a bit, then I would add the rest of my seafood. I would add my crabs, I would add my big prawn, and then add my little shrimps, the smaller shrimps, and then finally add my fish. So to make them a little tastier and to bring out all that seafood goodness, I'm gonna add a little more Maggi. I don't like to spice my food too much with make it salty. I don't do that. So I'm going to let it simmer and bring out all of its juice, then add half of my onion and pepper mixture, just to add a little more juiciness to my seafood. Then I would quickly bring out my fish. I brought it out a little bit late. This is because fish tends to boil faster than all the other seafood, and as you can see, it's already broke off a little. So I'm going to let it simmer a bit more before I add my palm oil. You see, I'm doing everything moderately. There's no need to pack everything. So then I would add the rest of my onion and pepper mixture and mix that out up, marinate it, let it simmer a bit for a few more minutes. Then I would add my nicely chopped okra, my nicely chopped fresh okra, and spread that out. Then add my roughly chopped crayfish. Then I will mix that up again, and then for my final ingredient, I'm gonna add some little Maggi again just to finish up the soup, and then my Uziza. This is what I use to cook my seafood okra. I don't use spinach, I don't use ugu, I use Uziza. It gives it this really flamboyant eastern taste, but still really delicious smell, and makes the food really sumptuous. So here I am struggling with my fish, adding it back, and then mixing it all up so that it also gets a real good juice, the seafood juice, the juiciness from everything that we've cooked together and marinated together. And my food is ready, and my friends are in for a real
So I was
tasty
just like,
surprise
you know what?
today.
I'm just gonna send
I've
you
been
guys
posting
something to do,
them,
so
and
enjoy.
today they're gonna have a great time.